Hello guys, welcome to Live to Learn, your learning partner. In this video, we are going to understand Company Secretary course and will be covering following points like basic details, course design, eligibility criteria, other requirements, exams, and exemptions. To start off with, Company Secretary is a 3-year professional qualification course which is conducted by ICSI, that is, Institute of Company Secretaries of India. It is the only institute in India which provides such course and one of the most reputed course in the law field in India. It also has one of the lowest course fees in the world, totaling to approx 1 lakh only for the entire qualification including various trainings. The whole CS course focuses mainly on industrial and labor laws, corporate laws, securities laws, and secretarial audit. The course is divided into 3 levels, that is, first, foundation level, that is the entrance exam which has 4 subjects divided into 2 groups. Second, executive level, where working knowledge is required and has 7 subjects divided into 2 groups. Third, professional level, where expert knowledge is required and has 9 subjects divided into 3 groups. The student has the option to write these exams either in English or in Hindi. Now comes the eligibility criteria. The minimum criteria is that the student has at least 10 plus 2 qualification. Students from all streams can pursue this course, and apart from this, there is no eligibility criteria based on minimum percent. Just like CA course, student must undergo internship training after passing foundation level for a period of 3 years. If a student wishes to start internship training after passing executive level, then the total period of internship is reduced up to 2 years and 1 year after passing professional level. The student must undergo the training in the specified organizations as decided by the institute. Apart from the internship, currently there is only one more training which the student has to undergo, that is Management Skills Orientation Program. Now we come to the next point, exams. All the levels of CS course is conducted twice a year, that is first in June and another one in December. The declaration dates of the results of executive level and professional level are also pre-decided, that is 25th February for December exam and 25th August for June exam. And passing criteria for every subject is 40%, whereas the group pass percent is 50%, and for exemption in any particular subject is 60%. Now comes to the exemptions. There are few exemptions as well which is available to the students of other courses such as Chartered Accountants and BCom. For them, foundation gets exempted and they can directly start with the executive level. Although there are special papers-wise exemptions also available for qualified cost accountants, they get 3 papers exempted from the executive level of the CS course. Apart from giving out such exemptions, the institute also receives various exemptions from other institutes as well, including international courses such as ICAI India, ICWAI India, ICSA London, etc. So that's all on this course. If you still have some questions unanswered or have some specific queries, you can post on our counseling page and we'll be happy to guide you. And please remember folks, the learning never stops.